Are you having trouble connecting your PC to your TV? Don't worry, we're here to help. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to connect your PC to your TV with an HDMI cable. First, locate the HDMI slot on your PC. For desktop computers, it's usually located behind the CPU. For laptops, it's often found on the side of the keyboard. Next, connect one end of the HDMI cable to your PC and the other end to your TV. Make sure you connect the cable to a free HDMI port on your TV. These ports are usually labeled with HDMI and numbered. After connecting the cable, use your TV remote to select the HDMI source. Look for a button that says Source or Input on your TV or remote. Use this button to select the HDMI port you connected your PC to. Now it's time to adjust your display settings on your PC. Click on the Windows Start menu on your PC, usually located in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. From there, click on the settings icon that resembles a gear. Then, click on System, and then Display to access your display settings. Scroll down and click Detect to let Windows detect any connected displays. Adjust the resolution as needed so that it looks good on your TV. And that's it. You should now be able to use your PC on your TV with an HDMI cable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.